Hi, welcome to No Grandma Glamma. So again, you guys, I'm doing a tutorial on the makeup that I already had on hand and that I have not used. Now, the contouring kit that I'm going to use later on in this tutorial, I did use. But these foundations right here, this Cargo Cosmetic foundations, I haven't used. Now, I used the other Cargo, but it was Cargo HD and it was in a tube. This is actually in a glass and it's Cargo Swimmable. And this supposed to be a long wear foundation, supposed to be waterproof. Of course, I didn't know my color. I'm feeling the mix of what color I'm at. You know, it's fall going into winter, so my color's everywhere right now. I got color 70 and 60. This is 70 and this is 60. So I got to see what looks okay on my skin. I also picked up these brands, about 6 or 7 of these I have in on my vanity right now, and I haven't used these, and I'm probably going to swatch these so you'll know how they look. There'll be another tutorial. Right now I'm just gonna I'm gonna use some of these maybe and go into this tutorial. I'm already primed, and when I prime my face with this Measurable Differences I got from Burlington and Co. Factory, it's $2.99. I already color correct with the LA Pro Girl orange, so for the dark circles that I have. Also, I went into Boeing Benefit. Now, I think the tutorial I did was actually wrong the other day. This is not a corrector, it's a concealer, and it's supposed to be like a skin type color finish, and that's why they have the numbers and stuff on the back. Number 3, I think it goes to like number 4 or 5, I'm not sure, but it's like supposed to be a skin like concealer underneath that, so it's not a corrector. So without further ado, let's go into this Cargo. We're gonna go into number 70, and just to see how they look on my skin. I'm just shaking the bottle up. Usually I do that with liquid foundations. I'm pumping it. It's new, so I'm going to do like 1.5 pumps and just see. I'm going to use my wet beauty blender. Right here, I waited already, and I'm just going to go in with the makeup. I think we are blended out. I'm gonna go get my little Paris Hilton brush. I go in with the Estee Lauder. This is a double wear. It's in medium. Go in with that. And use this foundation brush. Now, the other day I was watching a tutorial, and I'm going to go ahead and try to do it. And what the young lady did, she went from her mouth to her upper face. She went just like this, so I'm going to see how it look on me. She went from her bottom lip, actually. And just to see how that looks. So now I'm all blended out. I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance light to medium contour and contour my face. And I'm gonna set my eyes with the Sans Sable NYX. Using my favorite brush, my Real Technique brush. One thing about Estee Lauder, their double duty, it don't crease. Let's go into eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with the Smashbox lid primer. I'm gonna take my Real Technique brushes for the color correct. I'm gonna use that just to blend them out on my eyelids. I'm going to my Anastasia. This is what? This is the cream soda of Anastasia. I'll go in with that. See? I will go in and set it, and that'll be my transition color. Like a ghost right now. And it's the lid primer in medium. I don't know if I showed you guys that, and I'm sorry if I didn't. So let's go on to NARS. This is a pretty color, and I haven't used this at all. That's pretty. What is the name? The name is that Suba? Suba or Suba, right? And I'm gonna go in and I can use that for my crease color. And of course I got my good old BBs. Is that 203? I like a dark purple type. I'm not sure what this color is. Next, I'm gonna go into this glowing. It's a CEP 532A. And see how that looks just a little bit on my lid. Oh, look how messy that can get. Look at messy. This is like a gold brown. I'm scared to open it. Oh, I'm sorry guys, look at that. I'm just gonna use the top. I'm gonna put this right there very carefully. And I'm gonna use the top of it. You see the color? It's like a gold brown color. It's pretty. It's a lot of thousand. Oh my God, the fallout's crazy. But the color is pretty. Put that in there carefully. I was gonna try to use 2 of these, but no, I think one is overwhelming. You can still go into Anastasia. You can put a little copper either. What is this? This is Intense Gaze and China Rose. Both of them like in the copper family. I'm gonna use the China Rose and just put it like in the middle up above that color. And some of my outer line. You can see it. China Rose. A Morphe brush, the N167 brush. And just try to hit up in there and go into my outer corner. Now I'm gonna go back maybe into the soda pot. Finally. Fluff your brush just to blend out everything. Since we're doing the makeup that's supposed to be water resistant, let's go with this e.l.f. Active, and it's also supposed to be waterproof, and it is so pretty. It got the clear brow gel on one side and the mascara sweat resistant mascara on the other, and it is black and clear. That's what it's called. And it's e.l.f. Active. You probably did see this on my tutorials, some of them, because this is just a pretty, and it's thick and it don't clump up mascara. This is the wand, the brush that's in there. Now this is one coat, another Anastasia, and this is Smoke. It's called Smoke. It's called Smoke. Then I'm gonna hit my bottom lashes with the same mascara, the e.l.f. the water resistant. So it's time to dust off this powder. I'm gonna go in with this BH128 brush. and just blend out my contour. To set this contour, I'm going to go with a cheaper brand, Kiss Mineral Powder. Yes, it's broken up. So I'm going to go in with that and just gently use that to contour and set. Because next, we are on blush and highlight. For blush, we'll be using this Paris Hilton, and it's called the Blush Palette. I know, but what number? I don't see a number on here. There's no number on here, guys. It's really pretty blush. I'm gonna go in with this brush, no name. I don't know where I got this brush from. I just use it to do my blush. If you want to BBs, yes, it's messed up, but we're gonna go into these BBs. Ooh. I don't know, you guys. When I moved my makeup and dropped a lot of my makeup, I dropped a lot, you guys. And I was just devastated. Oh, okay. Oh, but you see why I ain't throw it away, right? You see why I didn't throw it away, right? Okay. Look at that glow. Look at that glow. Okay, so we're gonna move on to lips. Cat Von D colors. I got Mercy. Let's mix Mercy up with Gothic. Yeah, let's just go for that. Let's just go for that, and this is the rain. Hopefully I'm going upside down, because I can't see. These are the names. Both of us to better our lives. And this, this is a copper-like color. It's okay. I want to put like some kind of nude in there. We got Laura, we got Benefit. Okay, what color is that? Like this one. Let's go with this Lorac. LCA. It says Barstia. So you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know where my comb is, but this, you guys, is the finished look. I bought this wig from hairsister.com. It is this one right here. That's the color. That's the style. And you see it look a little different on the picture. Like and subscribe to my channel. Share my channel, you guys. You have a nice evening. Until next time, no Glamma. Glamma.
Sip on this Moet. Let's make it more romantic. This night you won't regret.